How we doing, everybody? Jesse here, your race mechanic, checking in from Sandusky, Ohio, at the Half Ironman. Got a customer here today that has a power meter that's not working, so we're trying to figure out why is it not working. And so that's the topic today: CR2032 batteries. I want to show you how you can verify that the battery is dead, and show you a tip and trick on maybe how you can get the power meter working mid-ride, and maybe even also verify if the battery is dead. A lot of times nowadays, I tell mechanics that, hey, you need to carry a voltmeter. So if you got a voltmeter at home, I'll show you how to check your battery. If you don't have a voltmeter, there's a plan B. So I'll show you how to do that here. Let's start with the mechanic way, right? So I've got my voltmeter. Now a new CR2032 battery should be about 3.2 volts, okay? So let's check this out. See if I can get this connected here. All right, here we go. So I've just put the electrodes on this, and we're coming up 0.28, which is obviously not enough power for anything. So in this case, we've verified that the battery's dead, which I tell everybody: verify the issue. If you get a flat tire, when you pull your tube out, you've got the hole in it. You want to kind of measure where that's at in reference to the valve, so we can maybe find the thorn in the tire, so you don't put a new tube and puncture the new tube, right? So we want to verify the issue, right? Same thing here. We've verified the battery's dead. Well, let's say that you're mid-ride or you don't have a voltmeter to check it. So what else could you do? Well, I know a lot of y'all are running AirTags in your bikes to kind of keep track of it, make sure that if anything gets stolen, you can find your bike. Well, the same battery's in here, CR2032. But what's also nice is that if you've ever had one of these go dead, you've also seen that you're getting alerts from the AirTag saying, hey, your AirTag's running low, replace your battery. So in this case, what we could do is we can not only take the battery out of here and swap it and put it into the crank and see if it's working again, we could also maybe put the old battery in here and see if it will connect to the phone. We know that the AirTag worked before we put the battery in. If it doesn't work after, we can probably assume, okay, the battery's dead. However, if it does connect and it works and you're not getting any signs that the battery's dead, well, then maybe the battery's not the issue. So again, if you don't have a voltmeter, you can use an AirTag as a tool, right? And even a backup battery. So that's basically it. That's the tip for the day. I'm Jesse, your race mechanic. See y'all later.